Interior is hard. It's hard. I do not like the mirror color though.
Like you put an order in, it's like 6 months to a year.
Yeah.
Peppers would be gold key, and then so on.
What's good, YouTube? And it's your boy TJ. I am back with another video. So right now I am at a Cadillac dealership. I'm looking at some cars up here. I'm trying to see what I want to do. So I'm gonna show you guys in just a moment. This Cadillac right here is hard. CT5V. It's a Blackwing too. Ooh. It's a manual. I mean automatic, my bad. So let's see the sticker price. Okay. That ain't bad. Alright, I'll turn back on the camera in a second. Let me go talk to somebody. We got this Cadillac right here too. It's a Cadillac CT4V V6. Interior is hard. Diamond stitch. Carbon fiber in the back. And it's a manual. Hard. The interior is much more luxury to me, in my opinion. I really love the interior on these cars though. I'm not even gonna cap. Look at this one. I like this color, the blue. Another manual. Shoo. All that carbon fiber. I do not like the mirror color though.
Start and all that, and then pretty much all on that heated, cool massaging seat.
Okay.
Here, I'll start it up for you just so you can hear it a little bit. I'll turn the exhaust all the way up.
Oh, you got to open and close?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, that's good. Can you pop the hood? Oh, you're rolling.
Yeah, I got you. Oh, we gotta remember parking brake.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this specific one has the bronze wheels, red calipers, which are carbon ceramic. Just the calipers on this are like 13,000, like a 13,000.
Oh, I do see. I see it. They look shiny.
Yeah, whereas those are a little bit different. And then it has the carbon fiber all the way around, carbon spoiler, carbon splitter in the front, all your side skirts and everything like that.
Can you pop the hood? My bad. Once you're done.
Yeah, I got you. Custom built this engine from the Corvette Z06, similar engine, but tuned it a little more horsepower in this one.
And would you say what was the difference again between the Cadillac B and then the Cadillac Blackwing? Yeah.
So V is closer to 400 horsepower, is the twin turbo V6.
Okay.
The Blackwing is the supercharged V8.
Okay.
So this one has the noise that a lot of people are looking for, and obviously just crazy power.
Yeah.
And then if you look in here, you got digital dash, and you can kind of change all that. Heated, cooled, and massaging seats, all that quilted look, which is nice. Memory seats, of course. A dual sunroof that's all power, so you just
With a flick of a button, it just opens.
You just tap that.
I like the mirrors on the Cadillac. How you can you actually see. You flip the switch and it just shows the full.
Oh, yeah,
that's nice.
So
that's nice.
Little windshield is directly.
Yeah.
Once you get used to that, it's a game changer. You got a
Okay.
heads-up display, which maybe a Hellcat has similar, in the windshields, and then you can change the modes, which open up the exhaust.
Okay. Then look at the back
You
seat.
can even just kick and it'll open for you. When the car's off, when it's on, sometimes it won't work, but kick right there.
And it would just open? That's a nice feature.
Then those back seats fold completely flat too.
Wait, so it doesn't close by itself?
It doesn't close by itself. Yeah, that's the one thing that they didn't put the button. The old CT6 Blackwing, which was bigger than this, did have that closed. Yeah. More space in the back, massaging seats in the back and all that.
And it got 2 brakes in the back?
Yeah, that's the carbon ceramic bag. So the benefit of that is you never really have to change brake pads, and you can just like go and go and go, and it'll always stay like.
Oh man. Let's see. Okay, I see. Cause this got the carbon fiber.
Yeah,
that's why all the prices.
Packages, you can see. Carbon 2 package is 6,000. Carbon 1 is 5, and then you have other little things that slowly bring it up. The carbon ceramic 9,000 right there.
Yeah, I'll probably go for that white one.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's the normal one.
Ooh.
These are the rare ones. There's like a year wait time on these, but 2 customers, they ordered both cars, and then they didn't pick them up, so now they're just.
Oh, so they just sitting? Oh, wow.
Which is a little more rare.
Okay.
We're the only dealer in the city that doesn't mark. Other dealers do the market adjustment.
You talking about markup?
Yeah.
Markup. Oh, y'all don't do it.
We don't. We've never done any Sewell store. So next time y'all are looking for cars, like whether it's Mercedes or BMW or any luxury brand,
so
we by company policy don't do it.
I'm probably gonna do like wait 5 months.
Yeah.
Come right now, my car's in the shop right now because it's overheating. I only got like 18,000 miles on a 2021 Red Eye. I custom ordered it.
Yeah.
I got the engine replaced at 4,000 miles. It was having engine problems. I'm like, oh my goodness. I'm done with it.
Hard?
No, literally, bro.
Yeah.
I don't do burnout. I don't do none of that, really, bro. I just drive it. So, you know.
This one has a 360 camera all the way around. It also records all the camera angles at all times. So, like, if you're driving, you'll have the footage of the front, the back, the side, which is nice if something happened. And you can just go in and pull the footage.
Does it have that display, too, where you open the mirror and it shows on the ground? The Cadillac symbol?
At night, yeah.
At night? Okay.
Yeah, a little Cadillac crest will shine on the ground.
Okay.
And all that.
Well, that's cool. Oh, and then what's that button, that V button?
The V button, so you can.
That's for the noise?
Yeah, you can press it and you can set your V mode. So whether it's engine exhaust to open up the exhaust or the steering, suspension, brake feel, and then all your traction control. This button right here controls your traction control. So sports or race 1 to race 2. If you were going like a launch control and stuff, you'd have to be in race 2. Everything's turned off, and then it's just gonna be sliding around.
Okay.
Which is nice. So.
Okay, now.
This is like, it'd be like if you took a Charger. Is yours a Challenger or Charger?
It's a Charger.
Yeah, this is like the luxury version of a Charger hellcat.
And my car is heavy, so it's like, you know.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can find it right quick. Trying to find a picture. Signal's terrible. I'm trying to show you a picture of it.
Oh, of yours? What color?
Blue. Let's see. So I had all 3 of them, RT, then a 392, and then a Red Eye.
Wide body. Yeah, that's cool. We got Brembos in the front.
Yeah. So I think this is gonna be my next option because I am getting tired of mopar anyway as it is, and it's easy to steal them.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure.
But that's it. I'm gonna get a car for you because I'm probably gonna end up coming here, honestly. So
in like, I would say in like 3 months, like right before, a few months before, let me know, and that way we can start looking for something.
Okay, cool.
They're hard to find, and most of the time they're just not sitting.
I'm surprised I found them here.
Yeah, no. Typically that's not how it is. Typically we're like, you can put an order in, and it's like 6 months to a year.
Yeah.
I'll give it one more rev, and then
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. That's nice.
CTSVs that they replaced were nice too.
Huh?
Those were similar engines, supercharged V8, but
yeah.
Those are still.
I like the interior I have. It's luxury because you know, I don't know if you know what mopar. We got the same interior since 2011, 7.
You don't buy it for the interior. That's
it's the motor.
The motor.
I want more than that.
It's like somewhat, as long as you don't pay markups.
Yeah. I got a sticker price when I ordered mine.
Really?
Yeah.
That's huge. Is that because you ordered it, I guess?
Well, it's so at River Oaks Dodge, you order it, you don't have to pay the markup fee. Yeah. But if somebody do order it and it just sit there, they're gonna raise the price up on it.
Yeah.
They do markup.
Like us, even those that are just sitting here, just stay. Whereas other dealers are like 25 over, 30 over, stuff like that. And people are paying it, so like it's hard to knock them, but it is unfortunate for people trying to get something like that.
Yeah.
I can, here's one of my cars, let's see. And then,
Yes, sir.
and then I
So this one, last one. I think I'm gonna end up going with this model right here where it doesn't come with the carbon fiber. The other one comes with carbon fiber, but I can always add carbon fiber on later, so I'll probably look into something like this. So this is gonna be the ending of the video. I'm probably gonna catch y'all guys probably later on today. We're gonna see.